If your audio is not uploading in Otter.ai, yeah, that can completely block your workflow. In this video, I'll show you quick fixes to solve it fast. First, check your internet connection because uploading requires a stable connection. Next, make sure your file size and format are supported. Very large or unsupported files can fail to upload. Try renaming your file. Yeah, remove special characters or long file names that may cause errors. Now, restart the app. Sometimes upload issues are just temporary glitches. Make sure you're using the latest version of Otter.ai. Updates often fix upload bugs. If it still doesn't work, try uploading a smaller file or split your audio into parts. Yeah, this helps avoid upload limits. And that's it. These steps should fix most upload issues in Otter.ai. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.